Hi everyone, I'm Cosmin. In today's video on Dessertophilia, I'm showing you how to make a fudgy, creamy, and very fragrant pistachio and lavender blondie cake. You can serve it as such, or you can go one step further and decorate it with an easy pistachio chantilly cream. I'm gonna link to it at the end of this video. So let's get to it. Gently melt 250 grams of white chocolate with 160 grams of butter and a generous teaspoon of vanilla bean paste on a water bath. And when everything is melted and smooth, just let the bowl sit on the pot to keep the chocolate warm. Whisk an egg and then add 80 grams of erythritol. Continue mixing for a minute or two until the mixture increases in volume. And if you don't like erythritol, you can use any other natural sugar substitute. Slowly pour in the warm chocolate, whisking continuously. And then add 40 grams of unsalted chopped pistachios. To give this rich blondie cake a unique flavor, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of dried lavender flowers. And now give this a quick mix just to incorporate the flowers and the pistachios. Finally, add 125 grams of all-purpose flour and switch to a spatula. Fold it in and then the batter is done. This is an 18 cm springform pan that I greased and lined with parchment. Pour the batter in and then tap it against your work surface to release any big air bubbles. Bake it at 160 Celsius for 40 minutes and then allow it to cool in the tin for an hour. And then refrigerate it for another hour to set it completely. When it's cold, it's easier to remove from the pan and you won't risk damaging it when you handle it. And while the blondie cake sits at room temperature, decorate it with some pistachio chantilly cream. It's fudgy, fragrant, and rich. Enjoy!